Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm traveling towards Hyderabad and I left my place around 4:30 in the morning and I'm planning to cover most of the distance in early morning because at around 9 o'clock the weather will be hot and it will be sunny, so that time it will be quite difficult while riding because of the heat. For riding in summers, it is preferable to ride either in early morning or maybe at night because weather काफ़ी अच्छा होता है and इतना गर्मी नहीं होता कि राइड बाइक चलाने में प्रॉब्लम हो. So mostly people will start their ride in early morning and cover most of the distance and आराम से breakfast करके they start continue their ride in the daytime. So earlier when I left my house, that time I didn't had a proper breakfast, so thought of taking a short tea break. And my next stop will be Anandpur, which is like 220 kilometers from here, and I'm planning to have my breakfast there. So guys, I would say in early morning you get to see a nice views, but I'm not sure if the camera will be justifying the current scene. So the best part of early morning rides are like you get to see amazing views and amazing sunrise, which you miss in normal day ride and night rides. Want you to know you're the one I care for. Okay guys, check out this sunrise on my right side. So this is what you get to see when you're riding in early morning. Amazing. I will care for, and every time we fall, we will get right back up. The story of life, as long as you So guys, I've reached Bangalore and having my breakfast here. It's like 9 o'clock. Just covered around 260 kilometers, but we have like 300 something kilometers left for Hyderabad. So hopefully I should reach there in another 4 hours, I think. The road is pretty good, like, but weather is getting hot right now. So abhi karte hain breakfast. By the time I finish my breakfast, you guys enjoy the time lapse.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I own, yeah. And now I'm ready.
So after 4.5 hours of riding, and I took a nice long break for my breakfast at Coffee Day. Luckily they had AC in it, so it was pretty peaceful to sit there for some time and relax. So now I have to cover around 300 kilometers, and I'm planning to reach there by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and hopefully it should work out and I should be there by 2. For the Hyderabad trip I will be uploading 3 videos. One will be traveling towards Hyderabad, the other one will be exploring Ramoji Film City, and the third one will be coming back from Hyderabad to Bangalore. So the people who are new to the channel and they are watching it for the first time, please do subscribe, because there's a lot more new rides coming up in the future, and I'm still in process of finalizing them. So I would say stay connected and be part of the journey. For summer rides like these, you need to keep yourself hydrated all the time, because drinking water on a time to time basis, it's very important, because it's very hot outside and your body will tend to lose glucose and other things. So for this ride I'm carrying one hydration backpack which carries around 2 liters of water, which I have been refilling it on a time to time basis. So that's why it gives me energy to continue my ride in this hot weather.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me.
Okay, finally I reached Hyderabad, and I would say the ride to Hyderabad was not that difficult, because the road is good and you won't feel any difficulty while riding. It's just weather is hot and that you have to manage somehow. So that's what I said earlier. If you are leaving early in the morning, that's perfect, because you will be covering most of that distance in early morning and in the cool weather. So right now it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I would say I'm not that tired after riding for this long, because the most important part of riding in this kind of weather is you have to keep yourself hydrated, and which I maintain thoroughly throughout my ride. So it was good for me, and it helped me to cover up this long ride. So guys, that's all from my side today, and if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a like, and if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you have any suggestions regarding how I should improve my future videos, then do put a comment down in the comment section, and because your valuable comments are very much important for me to improve in my future videos. Anyways guys, thanks for joining me. See you next time. Take care.
I don't deal with people that are like a cancer. No, instead I hang with the people that enhance ya. And I'm not the type to give out second chances. I just wanna work on my own for myself. I don't need